We're generally talking lower 80s for highs. Now, these numbers are from the GFS model. It's a little bit warm, but they're for Tampa, which is going to cool each afternoon because it's proximity to the water. So when the model's saying 85, some areas inland Saturday afternoon could be pushing 90 degrees. All right, most of us will not see that, but there could be a couple warm spots, especially central, eastern Polk County. Now, you see the big cool down, and it's not that big, but we have showers around early on Sunday, so the rest of the afternoon is actually cooling and windy. Cold start on Monday and especially Tuesday morning, and then we start to warm things right back up. So just a little bump in the road. It's not a big deal. 74 to 75. In fact, tomorrow's average high temperature is 75. That's where we should be for this time of the year. Clear out there for the most part tonight. We have 70 degrees. Dew point is 60. Now, this is the deal. When this gets higher, we start to see a little bit of fog, especially this time of the year. And right now, you've got temperatures at 68 in Lutz, 64 in Thodona-Sass. We're starting to get down closer to 60. I mean, look at the Port Richey temperature right now, 62 degrees. So western Pasco, northern Pinellas, northwest Hillsborough, Hernando County, we're going to start to see a little bit of fog develop here overnight tonight. High pressure still in control of our weather, so it's real quiet other than that. It's kind of holding these systems off. And in fact, this rain will get over here and kind of fall apart and then eventually get another push and come down to the south by Sunday. So it's going to take a while for all that to get even here, okay? Now, in between there, we have the fog for tomorrow morning. That's around 7 in the morning. That's not a lot, but especially here along the coast, and then it burns off very quickly. Now, tomorrow night into Thursday morning, look how much fog we get. This is very similar to what we saw last Wednesday morning and Thursday morning. Kind of the same setup. So we're going to go with the weather impact alert for your morning commute on Thursday because it's going to be thick at times. And it's going to slow things down, especially on the highways out there. So we'll watch that. Now, the overnight temperatures stay very, very mild all the way through this period. So we're talking upper 50s and low 60s. Low 60s right along the coast to wake up. And then in the afternoon, we burn the fog off, of course, and we go to the upper 70s to low 80s. A little bit warmer for inland locations. That's nice for this time of the year. South winds, really it's southeast to south to southwest, but it's light. 5 to 10 knots, and then I think we'll go 10 to 15 a little bit in the afternoon. Just a little bit coming in off of the water, 62 degrees in the water. Dry tomorrow, dry Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There's your rain chance on Sunday, and it's really not all that big. We're going 30% chance. This is Friday. See, the rain gets stuck, then a low develops, and that pulls a front through here. That's Sunday morning around 9 a.m. That's our best chance for rain, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then we'll be drying out in the afternoon, but it does get windy and it gets cold. Well, not cold, but temperatures will be falling throughout Sunday afternoon. So this weekend, if you've got to pick a day, Saturday is your day. In fact, Saturday is a beach day. And Friday, if you want to start the cough going, that would be a good beach day as well, too. You could see, I mean, look at this. It's amazing. Brief cool down. I think most areas for morning lows will stay above freezing for Monday morning and then Tuesday. Tuesday morning is the one that we want to watch. Now, if you're in Hernando and Citrus County, we're probably going to have some freezing temperatures there for Tuesday morning, but then you can see we were starting to warm things up as we get going, okay? I do want to mention that, but we've had a lot of damage from the freezes we've already seen. But if you've been covering up plants, probably going to have to do that again on Tuesday morning if you live north of I-4. Looking into the extended forecast, you can see how warm it is all the way through the first week of March. So it's just a brief cool down. Don't forget, we've got our weather impact alert for Thursday morning just to cover up for the fog. And like we were saying, Courtney, the wind for the fire danger, it does get a little windy through the day on Sunday and the first half of Monday.